For this topiary tree, you're going to need a bucket, a wooden rod, a deer template, moss, ribbon, floral foam, and a one round one, a glue gun, a glue sticks, scissors, a box cutter, cardboard, or you can use any type of poster board if you like. What I did is just did my own template. I'm pretty sure you can just search any deer images on Google, and I'm pretty sure you can print one out. I just wanted it as big as that, so that's how I just freehanded it and just did it like that. So what I did is just traced it and I cut it out, and I'm just cutting the raw edges, making it nice and neat, and I'm going to use the back side so I can cover the letters or the barcode. And I also used spray adhesive, but I didn't like the way the moss was sticking to it, so I used the hot glue gun and sticks, and I worked in small sections. And you're just going to want to pat it down just so you make sure it adheres to it. And you're going to want to do that for the entire surface. Just work in small sections and then continue all the way up. Just make sure you pat it down. And once you're done, you're going to want to trim all the edges just so it can look nice. And it is going to have some fallout. So what I'm going to do is just spray it with some spray adhesive. You can also use hairspray. It's going to work as good as a spray adhesive. And don't pat it down, just try to, because I tried to pat it down and it was just coming off. So don't try to do what I did, just let it dry and put it to the side for a little bit. And that's how it's gonna look. It's looking good. Just put it to the side, let it dry, and just now you're gonna just put the floral foam in the bucket. I added some glue to the bottom of it. And I used 2 of the green ones and then 1 of the brown ones just to cover the green. And I wanted some height to it, so that's what I did. And since my wooden rod is a little bit long, that's why I used 3. And I'm just trying to show you how I placed it, but I pushed it all the way down. And you're just going to want to add glue to it and then just center it however you want it. And now to cover the white foam, you're going to want to add some more moss to it. And what I did, I just used some more spray adhesive. And that's how it's gonna look, and it's optional if you want to add a bow. I'm gonna do a bow since a lot of my decor is gonna have buffalo check. And what you're gonna want to do is just fold the ribbon in half and then just pinch it in the middle. And same for the little tail. And then just add the wire and twist it in the back. And then just add a piece of ribbon in the middle just to cover the wire. And then if you just want to cut the little tails, you can. If not, just leave them like that. And then you're done. You just got to glue it and that's it. That's it for the project. I mean, this project, it is time consuming, but it's well worth it. And that's the final look.